Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8th Maths chapter Polynomials part 3. So in this part we will learn about the degrees, the name of the polynomials based on the degree. So first type is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Second is quadratic. Third is cubic. Fourth is biquadratic. Polynomials. And linear polynomial has 1 degree, quadratic polynomial has 2 degree, cubic polynomial has 3 degrees, and biquadratic polynomial has 4 degrees. Means the degree of the polynomials are 4. And the example is linear example is ax plus b. Here if x is the variable and ab are the constants. Ax square plus bx plus c is the example of quadratic polynomial where a, b, c are constants and x variable x with any power is the variables. In cubic the example is ax raised to 3 plus bx raised to 2 plus cx plus d where variables are x with the different powers and the degree is 3. In biquadratic the example is ax raised to 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Here x is the variable, a, b, c, d, e are the constant terms and the degree of the polynomial is 4. Like this we have completed the classification of polynomials. Now the next point is standard form of polynomials. We will learn this in easy way. Standard form of polynomials. In the standard form of a polynomial, the terms are in the descending order of the powers of the variable. Listen the point carefully. Standard form of polynomials. So, in the example we'll take as 4x plus 5 plus 3x square minus 5x plus 7. Plus 7 x raised to 3. Like this is given. In standard form of polynomials, every time when this type of expression is given, we have to arrange them in descending order, that too based on the variables powers. In the standard form of polynomial, the terms are in the descending order of the powers of the variables. So first, the highest power of the variable is minus 5x raised to 4. Next is plus 7x raised to 3. Next plus 3x raised to 2. Next is plus 4x. And the last is plus 5 because that is constant. Therefore, this is the final answer. This given answer is the standard form of polynomial. And I hope you have understood till this. Next part is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial means the value of a variable for which the value of a polynomial is 0 is called the 0 of the polynomial. Example, consider polynomial 2 plus 3x. Its value becomes 0 if x is 2 by 3. X is minus 2 by 3. This value of x, that is minus 2 by 3, is called the 0 of the polynomial 2 plus 3x. In general, the number x is equal to a is called the 0 or root of a polynomial. And the zeros of some polynomials are, in example, they are first x minus a, the zero of the polynomial is a at the place of x only. X is the main variable. Second example is x plus a, zero of the polynomial is minus a. Third is ax plus b, and the value of x is, means the zero of the polynomial is plus b by a. Fourth is ax plus b, and the zero of the polynomial is minus b by a. This is the final answer. I hope you have understood the topic of zero of the polynomial, standard form of polynomials, and types of polynomial based on the degree. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check for it. I hope you have understood this video. Thank you for watching.